Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your YouTube TV viewing area. So in order to do it, you first need to come on tv.youtube.com and then log in into your account. Afterwards, click on your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and then you will be landed in your settings. Now once you are in your settings, you just have to click on the area section and then click on this update option. Afterwards, you need to click on the update location, but before that you need to make sure that you read this instruction. So if I read it for you, it is saying that if this isn't your current area, allow us to access your browser's location so we can serve you the right networks. So here, once you click on the update location, it will show you this type of pop-up where you just have to simply click on the allow button. You can choose any of these between these two, and then once you have your location enabled and once YouTube TV has the access of your location, it will show you all of the channels as per your area, or meaning that you can easily change your YouTube TV viewing area. Now for this purpose, you can also even use a VPN. So with the help of the VPN, you can change your areas or location, and you can even just bypass the YouTube TV area restriction problem as well. For more references, you can just come on this support page where you can see the visual representation of how you can actually change the viewing area on YouTube TV. So I will also link it down in the description. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.